Hey guys, welcome back to our channel, Notorious Places. We were recently in Turkey in a city called Eskisehir and we stayed at the Ramada Plaza. And here is the main entrance. They have a very beautiful green wall right when you walk in. Here's the lobby. They have plenty of seating and just places to relax right up in the front. The reception desk is the first thing that you see right when you walk in. You do need a key card to be able to access the elevators. We're staying on the 5th floor. Each room has a doorbell panel right outside of it, and on that same panel is the Do Not Disturb sign. Here's the room that we stayed in. We got 2 double beds. There is a TV right across from the beds as well as a desk area right below the TV. There are some mini wall lights as well as a book light right next to each of the bedsides. Here are the outlets. There is one USB port and then the other outlet is a European outlet. So if you're from the US, you do need a converter. We arrived at night, so everything is dark outside, but right across the street was a shopping mall. Our room did face the main street, which did get really loud at night. So if you're a light sleeper, I suggest getting a room that's on the opposite side of the main street. Also get your own thermostat so you can control the temperature in the room, which was really great because it was so hot when we were there. So we ended up cranking up the AC to have some nice cool air. Next to the bed, there's a phone so you can call room service or the front desk. The room also comes with a tea kettle and some cups. There's also a mini fridge that has some drinks and snacks, but you do have to pay extra for that. There's a grocery store right across the street, which is where we bought all of our waters and snacks from. There is a safe in the room, but the safe did not work. We actually called someone to try to fix it, and they could not fix it, so we ended up not using it. Also get some teas and coffees, and they did restock the tea every day that we drink. They also gave us 2 complimentary water bottles, which they restocked for us every day that we were there. Right next to the door is a closet with some hangers. There's also 2 pairs of slippers, which is really great after a shower since we forgot to bring slippers with us. They have lots of storage so you can fully unpack your suitcase and put all of your clothes in there. Now moving on to the bathroom, it was fairly small. It was kind of a tight fit, so really one person can only be there at a time. The shower is a good size. It comes with some shampoo and conditioner. There are 2 different shower options. One is a handheld shower handle, and then there's also a shower head at the very top. The toilet did have a bidet feature built into it, and you turn it on by pressing that silver button on the left side. Bathroom was stocked with some extra toilet paper rolls too in case you run out. Next to the sink, they have 2 glass cups, which is perfect for brushing your teeth, as well as a small soap dish. They had liquid hand soap for washing your hands with. On the left side of the sink is a small close-up mirror. Bathroom lighting was pretty dark, so I ended up doing my makeup in the morning in the main bedroom since there's lots of mirrors in there. Bathroom also comes with a hairdryer on the right side. Every day, they have a breakfast buffet, which opens up at 6 a.m. And on weekdays, it's open through 10 a.m. On weekends, it's open through 11 a.m. And this was as of June 2025, so I'm not sure if they'll change that in the future. Also had an entire bread wall with many different kinds of breads and pastries that were baked fresh every day. They also have fresh squeezed orange juice, which is so delicious. I had it every morning for breakfast. Next to the juice, they have a coffee and tea section. They have a coffee machine with many options. I'm one of those people that needs coffee first thing when I wake up. There are better coffee shops outside of the hotel, which I highly recommend. They have a lot of seating in their dining area. There's also outdoor seating, but the mornings were really cold when we were there, so we did not use their outdoor seating. Literally right across the street from the hotel is a shopping center as well as a grocery store, which I highly recommend going to. I did a lot of shopping there, and then every day I got some fresh pastries from the bakery section of the grocery store. As you can see, they have tons of baklava, which was delicious. Grocery store has everything that you need. If you want any snacks, I recommend getting some fruit because fruit in Turkey is so good, so much better than in the US. I ended up buying some cat treats to bring back home for my cats because they're so spoiled. 5 minutes from the hotel is a park with old airplanes and jets, and best of all, it is free to go inside. Each of the planes had a plaque to tell you what kind of plane it was. The park also had a restaurant in it so you can grab a quick snack. There's also a shopping center called Kasaba Modern, which has mostly restaurants in it, which I highly recommend. There is something for everybody there. We went to the shopping center every night for dinner and went to a different restaurant every day. But my absolute favorite place was a chocolate shop called Çikolata Evim. It had so many different kinds of desserts. Everything was so good and covered in chocolate. Overall, we had a really great experience staying at the Ramada Plaza in Eskisehir, Turkey. Please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more travel videos. Thanks so much for watching.